funny, really. I speak to motorcyclists every day of the week, and we all think that we're better riders than we are, probably me included. Clearly, the more training you take, the better you are. There's no doubt about that in my mind. You know, it's always been the first step for people into motorised transport. Many people we come across who've had a little moped or a motorbike when they were young because they couldn't afford to run a car, and insurance or whatever was too expensive, and they've used it to get to and from work or their apprenticeship or whatever it has been. Maybe they've moved on to a car later on, but they've enjoyed the two-wheel experience, and they come back to it later in life and buy a big bike and go off touring around Europe. And what a lovely story that is. So we don't want to stop that. Riding motorbikes is a brilliant thing for your brain.